In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Nvidia GeForce Now. So you want to go ahead and go to this link, which is play.geforcenow.com, and then you want to click on Get In over here on your screen. And then you will have to just wait for a few seconds, and it's going to take you over here to this website where you can then essentially sign in or sign up for an account. So as you can see, I have an account already. I can just continue, but of course, let's say you are using a new account, you'll be able to sign in with your email or just continue with Google, Discord, Apple, or Facebook. Okay, so you can just click on one of these. I'm going to go ahead and use Google for this instance, and I'm going to just select one of my accounts over here. And then once you select your account by clicking on it, you will have to again just confirm this. There we go. It's going to give you a security challenge, and then what you're going to have to do is it's going to send you an email to your email. So you just have to go inside your Gmail, or of course whatever you used to sign up with. It's going to tell you what to do on your screen. And then whenever you complete that security challenge, which usually is just going to be by clicking one button in your email. So let me actually show you what this looks like. It's not going to let me, but it just says verify email address. You want to just click on that. And once you click that link, that button inside your email, it's going to, as you can see, redirect you back. And within just a few seconds, you then should be, there we go, it says almost done. And then you have to basically confirm this by clicking submit. Or you can, of course, help with technical settings as well if you want to. You can check mark that. And after you do this, you're going to be redirected over here. And as you can see by this icon up top, you have now been signed into your account at nvidia.com GeForce Now. Okay, so you can, of course, join for free over here. You can join the performance or the ultimate. So it's up to you what you want to do. I'm going to join free right now, but of course, you can always upgrade later. And then once you've done that as well, it's going to direct you over here where you can then set everything up and basically just start using it, and your account has now been created. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.